If you consider large scale of the Savant, basically in the lounges, that's where HMDs and balls get sold in bulk and all, right? And that's where still the majority of the population smoke hookah in the lounges. It is pretty easy for any lounge to manage it. Now imagine a lounge which is using a Lotus Cloud. If you don't stick the flavor to the very balls of the Lotus, it will not give you performance. That's why most lounges prefer to underpack it. Now underpacking is again doesn't give you that much smoke, doesn't give you that much flavor profile, and doesn't last longer with the set of coals. You have to touch it, otherwise you will not get performance, you will not get the nick out of the flavor. That's where, and a certain lounges will have only a lounge will have only a certain amount of lotuses if they're using original. Okay, only certain amount of lounges is lounge, and if there is a massive gathering at certain point of time, then not every session is 100%. You will have some wet tobacco sticking to the base of the Lotus, and scraping it off and giving it to the next customer is kind of unhygienic and also very, very cumbersome for the person who is handling the lounge, or basically these bowls and packing bowls and all. In case of a Savant, no problem. Just take off the Savant. You don't even have to wash it. You don't have to wash it. If you have stained it, you can just wipe it with wet towel or something and just serve it to the next customer. That's it. So it is that much fluid to be used in a lounge. In the lounges, you have cold service. Anytime you feel this for the basically the lounge owners. Anytime you feel that the smoke is not up to the mark and the customer is saying, okay, I'm not getting enough smoke, you can put in small coals as well. The lounge has it, right? Small coals and all, and you can continue. So it is made very easy for the lounge. If you have a Savant, it is very easy. Business is very easy, and you can serve more customers without that cloud hassle, right? Lotus.